Welcome to this presentation on QoS Aware Productive and Resourceful Service Allocation in Fog for Multimedia Applications. This research was conducted by S. Saroja et al. And published in 18th October 2023. Kiani Zay, today, we'll explore the key findings and contributions of this important work. Let's begin by understanding the problem this research addresses. Good morning, everyone. Our work addresses a critical theoretical gap in resource allocation within fog computing environments. While fog nodes offer proximity to end users, optimizing their computational services, such as data retrieval and processing, presents significant challenges. Existing resource allocation strategies often prioritize single objectives like latency or throughput, frequently neglecting the crucial aspect of energy consumption, or they fail to achieve optimal by objective performance. This leads to suboptimal quality of service and increased operational costs. Our central hypothesis is that a sophisticated meta heuristic approach, specifically the league championship algorithm, can effectively resolve the by objective minimization problem of simultaneously reducing both make span and energy consumption in fog based multimedia applications. Our baseline assumptions for this work include the heterogeneity and independence of service requests, the presence of heterogeneous virtual machines, the availability of adequate virtual machines for accepted requests, the operation of a virtual machine manager on each host, and the constraint that a single virtual machine executes only one service at any given time. We also assume that service migration between virtual machines is not permitted. Our methodological approach formulates the resource allocation problem as a by objective minimization task. The primary objectives are to minimize the overall make span and the total energy consumption across the fog environment. Dislavas, triavas, across the fog environment. We define the make span as the maximum of all total execution times across the virtual machines. The total execution time for a specific virtual machine is calculated by summing the products of a binary allocation variable and the expected time to compute for each task assigned to it. The expected time to compute for a task on a virtual machine is derived by dividing the task's length, measured in million instructions, by the virtual machine's processing speed, measured in million instructions per second. Energy consumption is modeled considering both active and idle states of a virtual machine. The energy consumed by a virtual machine is a function of its active time, idle time, and respective energy coefficients, which are themselves derived from the virtual machine's processing speed. The total energy consumption is then the sum of energy consumed by all virtual machines. Our final objective function is a weighted sum of the make span and the total energy consumption, allowing for flexible prioritization through penalty values. To solve this complex optimization problem, we employ the league championship algorithm, a population based meta heuristic. Unlike simpler algorithms, LCA's core mechanism involves a sophisticated team formation and update process leveraging a SWOT analysis. This analysis considers internal strengths and weaknesses alongside external opportunities and threats to iteratively refine solutions. We benchmarked LCA's performance against three well-known meta-heuristic algorithms: particle swarm optimization, binary particle swarm optimization, and the BAT algorithm. Our experimental evaluation involved repeating each scenario 50 times to ensure statistical robustness. We analyzed performance across three key metrics: make span, energy consumption, and the overall fitness value, which combines make span and energy. In the first scenario, where we varied the number of virtual machines from 10 to 100 while keeping tasks constant at 500, the league championship algorithm consistently demonstrated superior performance. As the number of virtual machines increased, LCA achieved significantly lower make span and fitness values compared to particle swarm optimization, binary particle swarm optimization, and the BAT algorithm. While energy consumption generally increased with more virtual machines, LCA exhibited a more controlled and efficient energy profile. For the second scenario, we varied the number of tasks from 100 to 1000, maintaining a constant 50 virtual machines. Here, all algorithms showed an increase in make span, energy consumption, and fitness as the task load grew. However, LCA again outperformed its counterparts by exhibiting a notably slower rate of increase in these metrics, indicating better scalability and efficiency under higher task demands. This suggests that LCA's sophisticated team structure and the iterative refinement through SWOT analysis are crucial differentiators. Furthermore, a relative error analysis computed over 50 repetitions solidified LCA's effectiveness and robustness, showing a consistently lower relative error value compared to the other meta heuristics. This quantitative evidence strongly supports LCA's superior capability in optimizing resource allocation in fog environments. The findings from our study carry significant theoretical implications, challenging existing paradigms in several ways. Firstly, our work demonstrates that advanced meta-heuristic algorithms, particularly those incorporating sophisticated population update mechanisms like LCS SWOT analysis, can achieve a more effective bi-objective optimization than more conventional swarm intelligence algorithms. This suggests a need to explore richer, more adaptive search strategies beyond simple particle movements or bad echolocation for complex, multi-constraint problems. Secondly, the consistent outperformance of LCA highlights the critical importance of simultaneously considering both make span and energy consumption. Many existing models tend to optimize one at the expense of the other, leading to practical inefficiencies. Our approach validates a balanced optimization strategy, which is crucial for sustainable and performant fog computing. Theoretically, this contributes to the understanding of how nature inspired algorithms can be tailored to address the unique distributed computing challenges of fog environments. Looking ahead to the future research frontier, this work opens several avenues. It suggests exploring the integration of dynamic, real time feedback loops into the optimization process, allowing algorithms to adapt to fluctuating fog conditions. Furthermore, the success of LCA's adaptive strategy points towards the potential of developing hybrid meta heuristics that combine the strengths of different optimization techniques, potentially leading to even faster convergence or more globally optimal solutions. In conclusion, this research presents a significant contribution to the field of fog computing by introducing a novel league championship algorithm based approach for quality of service aware resource allocation. We have successfully formulated the resource allocation problem as a by objective minimization task, effectively addressing the critical trade off between makespan and energy consumption for multimedia applications. Our comprehensive experimental validation, comparing LCA against established metaheuristics like particle swarm optimization, binary particle swarm optimization, and the BAT algorithm, unequivocally demonstrated LCA's superior performance, robustness, and scalability across various scenarios. The unique SWOT analysis mechanism within LCA was identified as a key driver for its enhanced optimization capabilities. Moving forward, we envision several high-level directions for future research. First, we plan to investigate the performance of this scheme in a real-world fog environment, moving beyond simulation to validate its practical applicability. Second, a crucial extension involves adapting the model to effectively handle dependent service requests, which are prevalent in complex multimedia workflows. Finally, we aim to explore the hybridization of our proposed league championship algorithm with other advanced optimization techniques to further enhance its ability to find global optimal solutions and accelerate convergence.